Daily school runs, weekend road trips, quick grocery dashes, all easier when buckling your little one isn't a wrestling match. These rotating car seats turn the daily grind into something smoother, safer, and a lot less back-breaking. From clever magnetic clips to smart safety tech and plush, breathable fabrics, each seat brings real relief to busy parents and comfort to every ride. Let's get into it. All product links are below in the description. For live updates and fresh picks by the hour, head over to thedetailedguide.com. Number 8. Graco Extend to Fit Convertible Baby Car Seat. Give your little one a safer, longer, and more comfortable ride with the Graco Extend to Fit Convertible Car Seat. Thoughtfully designed to keep your child rear-facing for longer, up to 50 pounds. It features an adjustable extension panel that adds up to 5 inches of precious legroom, helping growing legs stretch out instead of cramping up. The plush, removable head and body inserts wrap your baby in cozy comfort on every trip, while the Simply Safe Adjust system lets you change the headrest and harness height in seconds. No rethreading needed. Built with Graco's trusted Protect Plus engineering, it's tested to help shield your child in frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. Soft yet durable cotton fabric feels gentle against delicate skin. Number 7. Disney Baby Turn and Go 360 Rotating All-in-One Convertible Car Seat. Bring Disney magic into your daily routine with the Turn and Go 360. The full 360-degree rotation helps you lift your child in and out comfortably from birth up to 100 pounds, covering rear-facing, forward-facing, and booster stages. The safety swivel feature locks the seat securely, and CLEARTEX shows a clear red to green indicator when belt tension is correct, taking away guesswork. Soft, machine-washable fabrics, plush infant inserts, and a 10-position adjustable headrest keep kids cozy and supported. 2 removable dishwasher-safe cup holders help prevent spills from turning into bigger messes. Installation is simpler with a built-in belt lock-off arm, and you only need to install the base once. 6. Graco EASYTURN Car Seat. The Graco EASYTURN 360 takes daily buckle-ups from awkward to almost effortless. Its standout feature? A 360-degree rotation you can unlock with just one hand, letting you turn the seat toward you whether it's rear-facing or forward-facing. That smoother motion means less bending and twisting, especially helpful in compact cars or for parents with back pain. Built with Graco's Protect Plus engineering, it's tested against frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes for extra peace of mind. A reassuring click tells you when it's securely locked back into place. As your child grows from 4 to 65 pounds, the 10-position no-rethread harness and adjustable headrest makes size changes simple. Though instructions could be clearer, daily use feels intuitive. Machine-washable covers help keep everything fresh after spills. Families often highlight how it balances practical design, proven safety, and price, making it a strong pick for parents who want reliable performance that keeps pace with busy life. 5. MAXI-COSI PERI 180 Rotating Infant Car Seat. Compact, lightweight, and thoughtfully built, the MAXI-COSI PERI 180 simplifies buckle-ups for newborns and infants. Its 180-degree rotation means you can turn the seat toward you, making loading and unloading easier, especially when balancing bags or strollers. Safety leads the design, with a load leg and anti-rebound bar that adds stability and help reduce movement during sudden stops or crashes. Red to green belt indicators help confirm correct installation, while the Quick Connect latch system speeds up setup. At just 7.5 pounds, seat only, it's easier to carry between home and car. Breathable mesh panels, an extendable UPF 50+ canopy, and magnetic chest clip all add to daily comfort and convenience. Parents love the side impact protection, and note the no rethread harness makes quick adjustments hassle-free. Though recline controls can feel less obvious, the PERI delivers lightweight practicality and solid safety in one package, especially useful for city life, small cars, or families always on the move. 4. Baby Jogger CITY-TURN Rotating Convertible Car Seat. Built for everyday ease, the Baby Jogger CITY-TURN rotates 180 degrees to bring your child 10 inches closer, saving you from leaning deep into the car every time you buckle up. The CoolMax fabric keeps kids cooler by wicking away moisture, making it a comfort boost in warm climates. A 10-position headrest and harness adjust together as your child grows, and a built-in belt tensioner helps secure installation. Though it's on the bulkier side and works best in roomy back seats, Parents say the smooth slide and turn feels sturdy and intuitive. Spot clean fabrics do require more care, but the everyday convenience often outweighs it. Tested to meet strict safety standards, it transitions from rear-facing to forward-facing, covering little ones from infant to toddler stages. Many families appreciate how the thoughtful design saves back strain, especially during pregnancy or with multiple kids. A solid blend of comfort, safety, and practical daily use. 3. MAXI-COSI ME 360 all-in-one rotating convertible car seat. From infancy to booster stage, the MAXI-COSI M360 adapts as your child grows. The 360-degree rotation makes rear and forward-facing buckle-ups easier on your back and shoulders, then locks when used as a booster for older kids. Quick fit technology adjusts the headrest and harness together in 10 positions, so fit checks take seconds. The pure cozy fabrics are machine washable, dryer friendly, and made without added flame retardants, keeping things both cleaner and healthier. A red to green indicator helps confirm harness tightness, while side impact foam adds protection without feeling stiff. Though heavier than some seats, families love the dishwasher-safe cup holders and magnetic chest clip that keep daily messes in check.
Number 2. CYBEX SIRONA S Rotating Convertible Car Seat. Packed with thoughtful safety tech, the CYBEX SIRONA S rotates a full 360 degrees, making it easier to lift your child in and out in both rear and forward-facing modes. Its anti-rebound base and advanced linear side impact protection add strong crash protection. The sensor-safe chest clip alerts you on your phone if your child unbuckles, if it gets too hot inside, or if you accidentally leave them behind, adding an extra layer of peace of mind. Dense, breathable foam and soft fabrics keep rides comfortable, and machine-washable covers simplify cleaning. Though larger and best suited to SUVs or spacious back seats, parents praise the easy belt path installation and solid feel once installed. A generous sun canopy offers extra shade, and cup holders pop out for cleaning. Some report occasional false app alerts, but most see them as better than missing a real warning. CHICCO Fit 360 CLEARTEX Rotating Convertible Car Seat. Daily buckle-ups get easier with the CHICCO Fit 360. Its smooth 360-degree rotation helps you load and unload your child without twisting or bending uncomfortably, especially handy during rushed mornings. The lever-lock self-tensioning lock system means installation feels secure from the start, applying the right belt tension automatically. Ventilation built into the seat back keeps air flowing so rides stay cooler. A quick, secure magnetic chest clip and 15-position adjustable headrest keep up with your child's growth from 4 to 65 pounds. Parents love the sturdy steel-reinforced frame paired with GreenGuard Gold certification, showing it's made without added flame retardants. Dual dishwasher-safe cup holders handle snacks or drinks, and the machine-washable fabric saves time on cleanup. Though heavier than some, many families say the Fit 360 balances convenience, safety, and long-term value. Whether you're on quick errands or long road trips, it helps turn buckle-up moments from a daily chore into something smoother and less stressful. Thanks for watching! Tell us your favorite in the comments below. For more product pics and updates, don't forget to like and subscribe. TOTO Washlet Plus Electronic Bidet Toilet Seat. Its instant and continuous warm water stream delivers a refreshing spa-like cleanse every time. The Air-In Wonder Wave gently infuses air into each droplet, ensuring an effective yet soothing wash. Enjoy total convenience with the automatic open and close lid that senses your approach, a soft nightlight to guide you in the dark, and compatibility with an auto-flush kit sold separately. Peace of mind comes standard. Premise keeps the bowl cleaner by preventing waste from sticking, while eWater Plus sanitizes the wand and bowl before and after use. With 2 personalized user memory settings and an intuitive remote, your perfect clean is always one touch away. Trusted by over 60 million users worldwide, the TOTO Washlet Plus blends proven reliability with DIY-friendly installation, fitting most toilets seamlessly. Smart Bidet Toilet Seat Electric Attachment. This smart bidet seat offers rear, front, and oscillating wash modes, adjustable water pressure across 6 levels, and instant access to warm water for a soothing cleanse. Stay cozy year-round with heated seat, dryer, and water functions, each customizable to 6 warmth levels. Thoughtful engineering ensures these features activate only when seated, keeping kids and pets safe. A built-in nightlight provides soft illumination, while the gentle closing mechanism prevents disruptive bangs. Beyond comfort, embrace an eco-friendly lifestyle. Reduce reliance on paper and save electricity with the one-touch energy-saving mode on the remote. The installation is straightforward, blending seamlessly into your bathroom. Electric toilet seat bidet with warm water and dryer experience, effortless cleanliness and daily comfort with this feature-packed electric bidet seat. Enjoy a soothing wash from the self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle, which maintains hygiene before and after each use. Choose from 3 adjustable temperatures for warm water, seat heating, and the warm air dryer, perfect for chilly mornings. A gentle night light softly brightens midnight visits without disturbing your sleep. The ultra-thin, tankless design ensures your bathroom stays sleek and modern, while installation is quick and straightforward, no bulky water tank needed. The quiet, gentle close lid prevents noisy disruptions, adding to your peaceful routine. Say goodbye to wasteful toilet paper and hello to hands-free drying. Though remote control isn't included, side panel only, operation remains intuitive. Designed to blend effortlessly into any decor, it offers the perfect balance of practicality, comfort, and hygiene. Transform each trip to the bathroom into a calming, spa-like ritual. DC02 iClean&Go Electronic Bidet Toilet Seat. Bring true luxury to your bathroom with the DC02 iClean&Go Bidet Seat. Installation is a breeze with a simple brass T connector, while the bidet itself dazzles with 42 customizable LED lighting patterns and a dual-ring, illuminated seat that turns every trip into an experience. The auto-open and close lid adjusts via radar sensing, powered by ultra-quiet Japanese motors for discreet comfort. Enjoy endless warm water, precision 50-degree spray, and a powerful 25,000 RPM dryer for quick, comfortable drying. A 360-degree handheld sprayer offers even greater flexibility and hygiene. Advanced temperature software keeps water consistently warm no matter the city supply. With thoughtful design, high-end features, and user-friendly controls, it's not just a toilet seat, it's a statement of innovation and comfort. Whether you seek luxury, practicality, or both, the DC02 iClean&Go elevates your bathroom routine into a fully customizable daily retreat. Alpha Bidet UXA Pearl Auto Bidet Toilet Seat. The motorized lid opens when you approach and gently closes as you leave, creating a completely hands-free experience. Enjoy endless warm water thanks to its energy-efficient tankless ceramic core heater, ensuring no uncomfortable temperature dips. The arced stainless steel nozzle minimizes splashback for superior hygiene, while a built-in deodorizer keeps your bathroom fresh. A soft LED nightlight activates automatically, perfect for late-night visits. Customize your wash and comfort with 2 programmable user presets and easy-access shortcut functions, making advanced features intuitive and user-friendly. Additional highlights include a warm air dryer for gentle, paper-free drying, and the Pure Breeze bowl freshener that maintains cleanliness. Thoughtfully designed to blend luxury with daily practicality, the UXA Pearl Auto transforms every visit into a calm, hygienic ritual. Upgrade your daily routine with technology that quietly works for you. Effortlessly clean, endlessly warm, and fully customizable. Coway Bidet Mega 500S Electronic Bidet Toilet Seat. Discover a premium clean with Coway's Bidet Mega 500S, crafted for next-level hygiene and comfort. Its iWave technology delivers multi-stage customizable washing, including move, wide, air plus, and adjustable pressure settings. Enjoy uninterrupted warm water with the tankless heating system, saving energy and cutting down on paper waste. An auto open and close lid, gentle nightlight, and deodorizer, powered by activated carbon, bring convenience and freshness to every visit. Triple hygiene care keeps your seat spotless with a water shield mist, UV sterilization, and self-cleaning stainless nozzle. Personalize your experience with the remote control and user profiles, perfect for families, including a child mode for gentle cleaning. This is more than just a bidet. It's a complete hygiene upgrade designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, from early mornings to late nights. The Coway Bidet Mega 500S makes every trip comfortable, clean, and surprisingly enjoyable. Smart Bidet SB3000 Electric Bidet Toilet Seat. Enjoy comfort and complete customization with the Smart Bidet SB3000. Its hybrid heating system offers unlimited on-demand warm water, keeping you comfortable on chilly mornings. Choose between posterior wash, feminine wash, or turbo wash for powerful cleansing and even relieve constipation with the Spiral Stream Wash. The 3-in-1 stainless steel nozzle self-cleans before and after each use,
while the inside-out nozzle flush removes internal buildup for lasting hygiene. A soft LED nightlight guides you at night without blinding brightness. Controlled via a sleek remote with screen, adjust water temperature, seat warmth, and spray pressure effortlessly. The slim design fits elegantly on elongated toilets and is easy to install. More than features, it's a promise of daily freshness, convenience, and confidence. Discover how thoughtful engineering and user-focused design combine to redefine what a bathroom experience should feel like. Clean, warm, and fully in your control. BioBidet Discovery DLS Electric Bidet Toilet Seat. Redefine your daily routine with the BioBidet Discovery DLS, blending sleek design with practical innovation. Enjoy fully adjustable water temperature and pressure for a gentle, tailored clean, using the stainless steel nozzle for front and rear wash. The slim, modern silhouette includes an auto-open and slow-close lid for hands-free convenience, ideal for everyone, from busy parents to seniors recovering from surgery. The warm air dryer and heated seat add cozy comfort, while the built-in nightlight makes midnight visits safe and serene. Use the wireless remote to personalize every detail, ensuring your routine feels uniquely yours. Installation is DIY friendly, with everything you need included, no plumber required. Whether you're reducing paper waste, supporting postpartum recovery, or simply seeking greater daily comfort, the Discovery DLS proves that water truly does it better. Make every visit to the bathroom an effortless blend of hygiene, ease, and understated luxury. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more product recommendations.